Oh, hey, guess who's back? That's right, Rock. How are y'all doing today? Alrighty, so y'all probably wondering where I've been, what I've been doing. Again, once again, I got discouraged about doing videos and stuff, and so I just put it on the back burner. And you wouldn't believe it, but my 8-year-old daughter encourages me to do my videos again. Because she has been doing YouTube videos and TikTok videos, and she's freaking awesome. So she's encouraging me. She was like, Mommy, you need to start making your YouTube videos again. Because I love watching your videos. Wow, I'm out of breath. Good Jesus. So y'all probably wondering what this video today is about. Well, this video today is me trying to fix my car. That's, yeah, I said me. Yeah, me trying to fix my car. What I'm going to be doing is I am going to be taking out my old battery and putting in, if you can see it, my new battery. So I started working on it yesterday, but I was having a hard time. Can y'all see me? Because it's bright out here. I need to put some sunglasses on or something. But I started yesterday with working on it, and I couldn't get one of the cords off. So I had to get some WD-40 to spray on there and see if I can loosen it up. And see if I can get it out that way. Alright, hold on. I'm trying to open up the... Don't fall. Please don't fall. Yeah, fall, don't fall. Yep, so, this is what I'm going to do. See, I take the battery out. See, I got the red one off. And I gotta try to work and get this black one off. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, so I got 2-pack WD-40 spray. No, I'm not using all of it, but it came in a 2-pack, so got the 2-pack. So now I gotta open this and open this. The flame kept going in and out. I thought it would stay on. I don't know. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to get a new stove. Another new stove. Yeah, this will be our second stove. But I guess stoves don't last that long. I mean, I done had that stove for a while. I've been in this house for 6 years. So I think we done had that stove for 5. How long are stoves supposed to last? Let me know in the comments. Alright. I'm trying to open up this pack. Let's see if this will get it open. But this is what us women have to do when the men folk ain't around. We gotta fix our cars ourselves. And for those of you that's been around with me for a while, you know why there ain't no men folk here. I done told y'all about that. I don't want to go into it again. Not something I want to divulge on in every video of my life. Let me stop putting that in your face. Y'all know what WD-40 look like. Right. Hold on. Keep all our trash together. Alrighty, so I guess I take this little nozzle thingy, put that up. Ooh, You can at least level that up. Alrighty. Alrighty. Now we gonna see.
Tony said you look happy. Is this true?
Oh, because I'm doing a video.
Oh, I'm not in it.
You're not in it. I was just showing you. Alrighty, so I sprayed the WD-40 on there. Aaliyah, why are you spraying more?
I'm not.
Oh.
This is spraying?
No, I thought you were spraying it. Alright, so I sprayed the WD-40 on there. So now,
You don't want to what?
I said, I want to be a girl. I don't want to be a mechanic.
Girl mechanic.
I know, but I don't want to be one.
Well, sometimes we got to
But what us women folk got to do when the men folk ain't around.
Yep. We got to be stuff we don't want to be sometimes.
I cannot get this thing off to save my life.
It
It just doesn't want to budge.
The WD-40 not working?
I done sprayed so much on here, it look like a grease pig. Oh, and all the stuff it's doing is just sliding around it. It's not budging at all.
Oh, wow.
Part of my hand hurt.
So we sit out here like we know what we doing.
That's too big. That won't go around it at all.
Whoever put that on there.
I want to strangle them. Because they don't know how much heartache they are putting me in trying to get this off.
I gotta go. Screwdriver in her back pocket.
WD-40 stinks.
It does.
I know his wife home and she acting funny.
I was thinking the same thing. Then I said, oh no. In my head, I was like, oh no.
Well, now if he offered, that's a different thing.
Don't
Just
answer.
loudly say that you're struggling, and maybe he'll offer.
Like, I'm trying to. This is hard. I'm trying to, like, can I grip this and pull it up to make it loose?
We had men folks in the house like we supposed to. We going through this.
Wait a minute. I don't want to break this.
And then that creates a whole new
Another
assortment of problems.
What?
Did a
What?
nail just fall in there? It did.
It went straight to the ground, though. There you go. It was under the tire. I can't reach it, though. I can reach it, but I got these tight pants on, so I can't reach it because my pants are going to split. It just kindly just popped off. Thank you. Okay, so this is my dilemma in trying to get this car fixed.
We were so close, and now she can't get the battery out.
Right, because I can't get this lug nut off, or whatever they call it. Post. I can't get
Two
this
flat
post
tires
off.
on the same side is kind of insane.
Right.
Can I press down on the tire?
Pedro is a drama king. He always has to do something extra. He can't do nothing normal.
I can't wait till my clothes get here.
So much WD-40 on here is crazy.
What
You would think it would just...
Mommy ordered me some clothes.
I would need some too. I can't wait. They said it's on its way. It's
Only
on
one pair of pants came
Oh, you didn't show them to me.
because unlike you.
I love you.
I don't know what to do. Because I really can't get this off. It's like...
I got it.
And my hands hurt so bad. Okay, so this nail I didn't lose working on the car. This one I did.
Spray some more.
It's so greasy, you can fry chicken.
Right. And you would think it would just slide on off. It's not doing nothing.
Beat the car.
Try not to break this. That's not even budging anymore.
It moved.
No, yeah, I got it pulled up some, but at this point I'm really getting frustrated because nothing is working. I was looking from right there. The bag is scoop. Alrighty, so my attempt today to work on the car.
What if you turn it the wrong way?
I turned it both ways. Sorry, y'all fell over. My attempt today to work on the car failed. Huh, this got water in it. Why does this have water in it? So I guess I'm done for today. Oop, camera was upside down. Alright, so
Are we still going?
I'm done for the day with trying to put this battery in here. I'm going to try again to get a hold of one of the mechanics that I was working with. Push it down. Push it down from the front. And see if I can get them to come and put this battery in.
Did it close?
Yeah, because at this point, I'm struggling. I have no more muscle strength to get that battery into my car. So this was a raw video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Talk to you later, rockers.